I have 3 tips to master the upcoming bull run in crypto. You follow these 3 steps and you will set yourself up for financial freedom. Bitcoin bull run season is almost upon us and you want to make sure you have the tools to succeed. So kiss that mayo sandwich goodbye. It's time to make some real bread. Our first tip is have a clear game plan. That means a beginning, middle, and end to your investment strategy. And that begins with your entry point on that coin you're buying. What you don't want to do is chase pumps and get caught up in buying just because everyone else is buying. You need to make a price target and stick to it. Do not fall for FOMO. And arguably more important than your entry is your exit. A coin doing 100x means nothing if you don't take profit and all the gains melt away. The best way to avoid that happening to you is to have multiple sell orders at multiple price targets. Personally, I hold a little Cardano and I plan on selling some as low as $4, even though I think it's going higher. And guess what? If it does go higher, I'll sell even more. I have price targets all the way up to $7 in case Cardano does a 20x from these current levels. It's important to realize you can't call the exact top, so sell over a period of time to hedge your bets. And to prevent your game plan from failing after you're hypnotized by high prices, visualize your goal from investing. If you're saving up for a car, a boat, or a home down payment, it's much easier to hit that sell button if you're thinking of those goals. Picture yourself enjoying the fruits of your timely investment. Imagine you're already in that kitchen remodel. The boat is already in your driveway. Visualize that Rolex. Sure, that JPEG of that cartoon monkey looks cool, but imagine getting out of your mom's basement. To me, that looks a little cooler. But make sure you adjust your plan accordingly. New partnerships could inflate your favorite coin's value, meaning you might need to tweak your exit points. Heck, imagine the SEC loses a case against your favorite protocol. Or an overall bearish trend could hit the markets, making all your targets look like an absurd Moon Boys fantasy. So have a strong game plan, but adjustments are key. Second tip, go all in. Going all in means doing thorough research on your own and then only investing in the number of coins that you can reasonably keep track of. Don't spread yourself too thin. So learn about the tokenomics and the protocol's future plans. Read the white paper and even potentially join a community Discord. But if I were to give one warning, it's to pay attention to your sources so you can avoid an echo chamber. Avoid maxis and check for biases. If the name of the channel you watch is Safe Moon Lambo Club, well, they might be biased. And then figure out your bandwidth. Are you living at your parents' or on disability with nothing but time on your hands? Well, you can follow and research many more coins than a doctor working 80 hours a week. So use your time wisely, but be realistic about how much time you actually have. But more important than any of that is to not lose interest. Don't get lulled out by sideways price action. Ironically, the point at which you should be doing the most buying is the point in which the markets are at their worst. So you enter while it's boring, and then you can exit while it's soaring. Third and final tip, take profits, take profits. Did I mention take profits? Taking profits is the #1 thing separating the winners from the losers in crypto. Most people will just hold on to their coins, afraid of missing out on possibly higher gains. That's normal, it's FOMO, and we've all been there. This is why you need a plan for selling your coins. My favorite selling strategy is DCA out, or dollar cost average. You sell gradually and don't try to sell them all at the very top, because it's impossible to predict. But if I could give a warning, it's to be aware of how quickly crypto can move. This isn't the stock market or precious metals. Prices can go up quickly, but they can fall even faster, so you have to be careful. Which leads us to, if a coin's price is suddenly tanking, don't buy more just because it's cheaper. It might keep going down for a very long time. We call these falling knives, and never try to catch a falling knife. Don't give back all your profits getting swept up in a relief rally. By following these 3 steps, you're putting yourself in a position to become a millionaire in the upcoming bull run. You're not just hoping for financial freedom, you're actively creating that reality. Think about what you can gain from your hard work and keep your eyes on the prize. Your journey in crypto is a big deal, and you're in charge of writing your own success story. I'm DZ with Discover Crypto, and I'll see you at the top.